Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 18th of August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 18th of August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which state government planned to launch country's first electric vehicle park? Answer is Tamil Nadu. The Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh launched Punjab Smart Connect scheme to provide which among the following for students? Answer is smartphone. Find the state which has launched Karma Sathi Prakalpa scheme to provide soft loans and subsidies to youth. Answer is West Bengal. Which country has tested a ballistic missile interceptor named Arrow 2? Answer is Israel. Fifth question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Organ Donation Day? Answer is 13th. Which state union territory will host the International Film Festival of India 2020? Answer is Goa. Popular Indian Bollywood lyricist and Urdu language poet Rahat Indori has died at the age of dash. Answer is 70 years. Which state or union territory has ranked as the best performing in recently released ranking of states under Amrut scheme? Answer is Odisha. Ninth question was, who has been named as the next president of SAIL? Answer is Soma Mandal. And last question was, Fit India Freedom Run, the largest countrywide run, has been launched by dash. Answer is Sports Ministry. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, the Indian government has set a target of zero road mortality till dash. Answer is option number 3, 2030. India has set a target of zero road mortality till 2030. India has reported the world's highest road accident in 2018 with nearly 4.67 lakhs accidents, claiming 1,51,417 lives. Human errors, road environment and poor conditions of the road were the main reasons for the accidents. Answer will be option number 3, 2030. Next, students from which university have recently developed an electronic mask? Answer is option number 1, Jadavpur University. This university is in West Bengal and recently students from Jadavpur University have made an electronic mask which will be able to annihilate any virus in close proximity to the person wearing it. The electromagnetic field created by the mask will annihilate any virus including SARS-2 which comes in the striking distance of the person wearing it. Answer will be option number 1, Jadavpur University. Next, Narendra Modi has recently become the dash longest serving Prime Minister of India. Answer is option number 4, 4th. Recently, on 13th of August 2020, Narendra Modi has become the 4th longest serving Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi has become the longest serving Prime Minister in Indian history of non-Congress origin, surpassing Atal Bihari Vajpayee's tenure of 2,268 days in all his 3 terms combined. Currently, Modi is the only 4th longest serving Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi and Dr. Manmohan Singh. Answer will be option number 4. Next, name the actor who has become the only Indian actor included in Forbes top 10 world's highest paid actors. Answer is option number 4, Akshay Kumar. Forbes is an American business magazine and recently it has released its list of highest paid actors. The actor Dwayne Johnson, who is also known as Rock, maintained his ranking, leading the list for the second year in a row. And Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar is the only Indian star to be listed among top 100 world's highest paid actor of 2020. He ranks at 6th position. Answer will be option number 4, Akshay Kumar. Next, who among the following has recently launched an indigenization portal, Srijan? Answer is option number 2, Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is the Defense Minister of India and recently Rajnath Singh has launched Srijan portal, which is a one-stop shop online portal that provides access to the vendors to take up items that can be taken up for indigenization. Answer will be option number 2, Rajnath Singh. What is indigenization? It is an action or process of bringing something under the control, dominance or influence of the people native to an area. Answer will be option number 2. Next question, who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Mauritania recently? Answer is option number 1, Mohammed Ould Bilal. Look at the image. This is Mohammed Ould Bilal and recently he has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Mauritania. Mauritania, officially the Islamic Republic of Mauritania, is a country in Northwest Africa. Its capital is Nouakchott. President is Mohammed Ould Ghazouani. Prime Minister is Mohammed Ould Bilal and currency of Mauritania is Augouya. Here option number 2 is Mahinda Rajapaksa. He has been recently appointed as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Walter Roger Martos Ruiz has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Peru and Hamid Bakayoko Bongo is the new Prime Minister of Ivory Coast. Next, which of the following banks has recently launched a special card named Shaurya KGC card for armed forces? Answer is option number 2, HDFC Bank. Recently, HDFC Bank has launched Shaurya KYC card for Indian Armed Forces personnel. The card will offer agricultural loan for military and paramilitary professionals. It is first of its kind product for over 45 lakh Indian Armed Forces personnel. This product will target nearly 5 lakh military and paramilitary professionals for catering to their family agricultural needs. This product comes with the unique feature and eligibility criteria specially crafted for the people who are posted far away from their homes. Answer will be option number 2, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. It is an Indian banking and financial services company. It was founded in 1994. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and currently CEO of HDFC Bank is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Next, with which of the following nations recently India has signed an agreement on space cooperation? Answer is option number 2, Nigeria. Recently, India and Nigeria have signed an agreement on space cooperation. This cooperation is made specially to build up India-Nigeria collaboration, especially with a focus on space science, planetary exploration, ground stations, development of micro and mini satellites, and joint space research and development. Answer will be option number 2, Nigeria. Nigeria, this is Nigeria. Capital is Abuja. President is Muhammadu Buhari, and currency of Nigeria is Naira. Next, which of the following banks has introduced a new mechanism known as positive pay? Answer is option number 4, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Recently, RBI has launched a new mechanism known as positive pay to reduce instances of fraud. The RBI has introduced the new mechanism known as positive pay for all the checks valued above 50,000. Answer will be option number 4, RBI. RBI, long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was formed on 1st of April 1935. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and currently Governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the 25th Governor of RBI. Next, who among the following has recently unveiled the e-version of the book titled Connecting, Communicating and Changing? Answer is option number 4, Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar is the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and recently Prakash Javadekar has unveiled the e-version of the book titled Connecting, Communicating and Changing. The book chronicles Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu's 3 years in office as the Vice President of India. The book comprises a collection of speeches by the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Also, it provides a glimpse of his efforts and outcomes as the Vice President and Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Answer will be option number 4, Prakash Javadekar. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, Indian Railways plan to launch the first set of private trains by which year? Answer is option number 4, 2023. Indian Railways has planned to launch private trains by 2023. The operation and maintenance of these trains would be governed by the standards and specifications specified by Indian Railways. Answer will be option number 4. Now today's question is, which state planned to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center recently? Options are Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.